Oh, except maybe let's check all the audio levels, check all that sort of stuff. Super-to-do. Yeah, I got a microphone going. You can call me on my cell phone. All right, and just waiting for the brain to rev up. Brain. Out. All right, so yeah, Joycaster. That's what I need to check. See if we're actually online. You can call me on my schmell phone. Sorry, I got Drake stuck in my head now because of that whole Drake playing Fortnite thing. Alright, good. Looks like I am live. Large and in charge. Just large, not in charge. I'm large and balarg. Alright, so I don't have music yet. That's something they need to rectify. Cheer now to be number one. Oh, I forgot my USB cable. Well, balls. Okay, so what do we have? We got Mini Mixer Monster, Stranded. Let's bump into Trivia Side a little bit this morning. And let's hit up the Discord. Oh, and I want to do my mixer link there. Mixer. Yeah. Good. Okay. Schmoove. When last we joined our hero. So I think what we'll do today is we'll add some colliders to the turrets, and we'll make it so that you can bounce back we'll make it so that you can bounce a spike ball back at it and disable it for, like, I don't know, 5 seconds? So where are we gonna go with that? Oh, music. I keep forgetting to start my music. Music, where is my music? 'Cause my singing is so terribly bad. There we go. Nope, nope. This is sleepy music. Can't have sleepy music first thing. Little MC Lars, it's not bad. Oh, I should, you know, I wish I could go back. Okay, that's good. All right. I can dig it. I should probably change my title because I'm not going to be doing any AR core development today, but hey, yeah, let's change it. There we go. And all the chats are up and working. Okay, so let's... so we're going to put these danger object single player into the prefabs, because we may want to just load those at runtime soon. We've got our defender spawner, that works. And let's activate one of these turrets. And we're going to add a collider to that. And I don't think it needs to be anything special. It can just be a box collider. Actually, let's do it in two parts. So we are going to let's drop that to 0 for now. We'll just, and we're gonna make this like 0.3 maybe. That looks good. No, it looks like 0.35. Let me see how close that is to the bottom. Yeah, 0.35 is good. 32, 32, 33, 34, 35. Hey, hey. And we're just going to slide it a little bit. Whoop, not on the X. We want it on the Z. There we go. And then we'll bump it up a little bit. And now we'll just... Good. Okay. So there's that. Now on the top... we'll add a box collider there. And kind of center it on that bit. Now, so here's one of the problems, okay? So what has happened here is that the other turrets won't pick up this because I made this. Grr. Anyway. So because these aren't prefabs of their own anymore, the rest of them won't pick up this. Oops. See, that's weirdly off center. Or is it? Yeah, a little bit. See, it's better to make it with like a couple of boxes rather than having a huge bunch of colliders for everything. But I almost wonder if that's going to be too loose of a collision for that, and I need to separate it out. Is that one called a bold instead of a bolt? That's so funny. That is how well I type right there. Okay. Yeah, let's make it one for the body there. And then we've got the eye here. We'll add a collider on that. That's good. And then what's this part here? Wow, it's there's the barrel. So we'll add a box collider on that as well. What the actual? Man, that's weird. Oh, that's... my OCD is like going nuts on this. Alright, so basically we've got my collider automatically generated in a weird way. Okay, let's remove the box collider from that. And I'm just going to add a component that is, actually let's, Oh, they all kind of went weird. Look at that. Oh, this model is so broken in every way. Okay. In the interest of... just getting this working... Oh, it's so annoying. So I'm just going to paste this one as new, and then I'm going to rotate this object just to get it in the right spot. Oh, yeah, I see what's going on. Oh, that is annoying crud. What? Like, why is there a collider down here? Potassium! How's it going? Oh, I've got two colliders on that, that's why. Which one's the bad one? That's the bad one. There, that's better. See, this whole model is so messed up. Been driving you nuts. What about next week? Well, I'm at GDC. Oh, well, I will be streaming from GDC. What's the time change there? They're an hour... Alright, let's check here. So, they're an hour later than us? Yeah, so it's... Or earlier than... Yeah, so it's 8 a.m. there. So if I got up at 7:30 a.m. and streamed for a while, I could stream from my... Like, I could have, like, breakfasts at GDC streams next week. I'll have my laptop with me, and the Airbnb has Wi-Fi. Maybe we keep the streams going. Who knows? And then we could do like a breakdown of all the people we met and all the crazy stuff we learned. Yeah, I think that'll be good. I'm digging it. 7:30 a.m. Possibly, occasionally, with a small amount of alcohol in my system. Just a tiny bit, not a lot. Just a little from leftover from the night before. There's some parties. I'm not gonna lie. There's some parties there. All right, so barrel collider is in place. That looks good. Eye collider, the collider. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna create an empty. I'm gonna call it the collider because it's my code, so I can name crap any way I want. And we're going to copy this component, and then we're going to remove it, and then we're going to paste it on here so that I can adjust it. And then we're going to rotate that bad boy so that it's straight. There we go. Yeah, it's there's good. Let's set that to global. There we go. So the Game Jolt party sounds awesome. It's called The Other Party. So I think I got tickets already to this. Oh man, I hope I got tickets to this. With Game Jolt, Good Shepherd, DreamHack, and Devolver Digital. I'm gonna sign in because Not now. Alright, let's see. What tickets do I have? I do have tickets. Okay, so I've got 2 tickets to the other party. I also have a ticket to the Unity party. And Unity throws awesome parties. So, okay, so at the Unity conference, and this would be not the last one, but the one before. So 2016, I think. So they actually had it in Los Angeles, and they booked Universal Studios for the night. So we got to go in after hours to Universal Studios and like try the rides and stuff, and free drinks and free food, and it was great. Unity is amazing. So can my love be bought? Yes it can. Anyway, all right, so I'm trying to get these colliders up and running. Everyone wants free drinks. Well, I'd give you free drinks, Potassium, but shipping free drinks from Canada to wherever you are, probably not going to work. Unless you're right here in Edmonton. Then we'll get you some free drinks. All right. Okay, so those should be just static colliders. Let's turn off the podium for now. And we'll test this bad boy out. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, I need to get batteries for my handsets again. Be back in one moment with fresh batteries. Oh, I forgot about that. My character be crazy. It be dancing all around. Yeah, just having a small issue with my character animation right now. Ouch. Oh, it's so staticky in here. I get a shock every time I touch something. We're gonna fry our electronics. Okay, so let's fix the character first, because that's terrible. So basically what happened to the main character is I was trying to make it so that, here we go, so let's just find it. So you can see these things here. So those colliders, you see like shoulder colliders, that sort of stuff. I think those are colliding with these other colliders that I put on previously. And because these are the ragdoll colliders. So I wanted to make it so that when you die, I can kind of push the character over and have them fall and dissolve and all that sort of fun stuff. But I think because I have... Yeah, the colliders are colliding. Because you can see these ones are rounded, and so they're supposed to just touch the ends of each other, but not actually collide with each other, because those are supposed to be joints. But I had put on other colliders previously. So... let's just see what we have. So we have a left up leg collider there. That's got a capsule on it. Right up leg is fine. Spine. See, that one looks like it's stuck in the middle. So I'm actually just going to take these right out. Okay, so yeah, there's one on the hips right now, and I think that one is causing problems too. So let's get rid of that. Now these ones seem too thick. They seem like... So maybe we should fix those too. So our left up leg, capsule collider radius, let's pull that down a bit. Yeah, let's go 78 on that. Okay, and right up leg will be the same. Our lower leg can be a little bit bigger, but not as big as it is. So where's our radius on that one? Whoa! There we go, 0.9 looks good. That'll just give us a little bit more space for the calf and for the foot. Good. And how about those arms? Because I think the arms were super big too. They don't need to be that huge. Left shoulder's good. Left arm radius. Whoa. Just need to smooth that out a little bit. That's better. And we'll do same thing on the right arm. Right arm, man, right arm. Okay, cool. So let's see. Now that I've done all of that, it's probably still going to be all twisted and weird. Ah, see, that's why you test a theory before you do all the work on the theory. Ugh, son of a... Like... I don't want to have to redo all of my stuff, but some of it's going to have to be redone, I'm afraid, because this is not working. Oh, but we might be able to go onto the... Okay, so there's the animator. Let's take the animator off. Oh, that's the texture animator. That's not the real animator. Mesh, that one doesn't have an animator. That one doesn't have an animator. I just need to find out what's causing that. So... Hey, hey, hey! Look at that! That's better. Okay, so the animator was causing the problems. Because Ragdoll Utility relies on it. That's weird. Ragdoll Utility relies on this animation, but if you have the animation enabled, it doesn't work. Ugh. Okay, so the ragdoll needs to be changed a little bit so that the arms bend, because those straight arms are like terrible. But it's good. Ragdoll to animation time. Okay, so I've got this Ragdoll Utility demo, and I think I'm setting it to Ragdoll immediately. So let's get rid of that. Oh, yay, it's working-ish, sort of. Come on, code. Start up. All right, so oh, that's weird. Okay, so when I disable... Well, that seems fine. Nothing wrong with that. Everything is A-okay. That is not a problem. Okay. Let's just get rid of the ragdoll for now. Is something enabling that ragdoll utility? Dance! I said dance! Okay. Just when you think you've got it. So I think what I need to do is on all of these, they probably have gravity enabled on them. So let's find the hips and let's take off use gravity. Okay, that's not it. Oh, well, there's still all of the... There's gravity on all of the other parts here. Yeah, so we're just getting a lot of collisions between different gravity effects and... That feeling when something you thought was good is actually terrible. Alright, I'm going to remove all of this right now. It's just too many collisions. I'll figure out a different way to do it later. Ah, the joy of clicking tiny buttons. I wonder if you can just... Right foot, left leg. Can I just click on the whole thing and delete it? Ah, there we go. Let's just do it that way. That's faster. Now if it still does it, I'm going to be upset. What? Oh, there's... No, these are disabled. What? That's so creepy, it's cool. Why? 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 Okay. That's the texture animator, that doesn't matter. Nothing on the player. Oh, the head still has a sphere collider and all this. Remove component, remove component, remove component. Alright, maybe it's the head. Oh, thank you. Crazy. So that dude is totally not aiming at anything. So the turret's top doesn't have a target. Aim target, see here, the aim transform. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that to... let's set it to the hips. There we go. And... do I have a tag for danger object? Danger! Danger! Alright. So let's tag that turret to danger. And let's make sure that the top, the eye collider, and the barrel collider are all also tagged danger. Good. Okay. Let's see if that works. I'm going to disable the viewer camera so you can see what I'm seeing. Ouch. Well, it definitely is aiming now. I still have no hands. Restart required. Oh, that one hurt. Okay. Why is it saying restart required? Uh-oh. Well, I just clicked on a thing that says finish installing device. Hopefully that doesn't shut down my computer, but I might disappear shortly. If I do, I'll be right back. Because Windows may just tank on me here. Maybe it just wants me to restart mixed reality. Possibly. Well, it's not detecting me. So let's try that again. There we go. Hey, and I even have hands. Oh, now I don't. There, now I do. Whoa. Come back here, shield. Whoa. Come back here, shield. Oh! It's going right through me. Oh, and I don't think I can be collided because, yeah, I turned off all the colliders on my character. So I can't be injured anyway. I'm trying to point at that shield and I can't get it. Also, I'm seeing the inside of my neck, which is not a good thing. Huh. Okay, let's check our hand. Oh, I know what's going on. I know exactly what's going on. When I set up the character, I've got these attachment point, attachment collider, pointer right. So there used to be a box collider on this pointer, and because it's not there anymore, I can't actually grab my things. So let's just bring that down. So we're just gonna skinny that up to the hand a bit. And maybe slide it a little bit. There, good. Okay, so that's a good collider for the hand. And we'll do it on the other hand as well. So where's our left arm here? There's right. Left shoulder, left arm, left forearm, left hand. Pointer left, paste component is new. There we go. Now we have a collider on the left hand. Your pinky finger is only going to kind of half collide. Can my OCD deal with that? Yes, no. Oops. There, good, that's better. So we'll just copy component, and then we'll paste the component values on the other hand here. There, good. Okay, good. Da-da-da. Scooby-Doo. Let's try that out. Good. Now let's make sure that he can be hit. Come on, shoot. Shoot at me. Oh. Oh. Ah. Having a hard time bouncing these things back at him. Thankfully, something in my shield is broken. Come on. That's really hard. Whoa. Oh, oh, oh! Yay! Colliders are working! Oh, come back. Whoa. And throwing is working, but badly. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, once that thing gets moving, it just doesn't want to stop. Okay. All right. Oh, I need to have a maximum speed on that shield. So we're going to clone these out. Because we've made the whole thing, I need to copy and paste the turrets values so that they're all in the correct spots now. Good, so now we've got 3 of them all with their colliders set up, and we can get rid of this, this, and this. Yeah, I know, it'll break the prefab, blardy blardy blarg. Good. Now, let's just make that 0, 1, like since I added zeros to the rest of them. Good. So now on the turret controller, we can just add a on collision enter. And if collision dot collider dot tag equals projectile, So let's add a disabled time to these. So let's call it disabled time, and we'll have a public one that's that we can set. And we'll just set that to disable time max, and very simply we'll just set it to disabled, and then we need on each turret to have a now I've got oh, why is that blank? That's weird. Is that just rendering weird? Like, or did I somehow delete the names of these? I think this is the top. I think I accidentally, when I was tagging them, I accidentally deleted their names. There's the collider for that one, and okay, good. So, music necessary. Okay. So on the turret, I need reference to my turret aimer. So the tamer. So what we're going to do is we're going to add on some we're going to have a Boolean that's like aimer active here. Guess I should keep with my case convention. All right, and current time is greater than 0. Current time, what is it? And aimer active. Good. And then we're going to have a public that is enable aim, and that's going to be oops. Current time equals 0.01, and then aimer okay, and then we'll have a public that's disable aim. And probably we could do this with one and just pass a Boolean, but whatever. Aimer active equals false, and then we want Target direction is the aim target position random offset minus the target position minus your transform position. We're going to set our target direction. Oh. How do I do that? So I've got a random offset, aim target position. Can we just do this? I wonder if we can just say, like, I just want it to look down when it gets hit. I just want it to go, "Mrr," basically. It might even make that sound. My turrets might go, "Mrr." Okay, that's just weird. I'm feeling weird. I so want to dye my mohawk for GDC. I don't know why. I just feel like, anyway. I also wish that it was about 4 feet taller. Oh, also, when we disable the aim, we want our... because we want it to automatically re-enable. So okay, so we're gonna keep, so we're just gonna set the current time. There we go. So we're gonna, on the disable, we're gonna have a float that is disable for our disable time. And then what we'll do is we'll set our current time equal to that disable time. And then we can control it from in here. So yeah, that works. Okay, good. So just trying to float through everything in my brain there and see if I can get it to work. So when we are hit, we want our target aimer. So we don't even need our disabled time in here. We aren't using it anymore. I didn't already start counting it down, did I? No. Okay. So we'll just disable the aimer and let it re-enable itself. And yeah, we do need that, because we need to do it here as well. So see, I really should put the firing sequence into the aimer, but right now it's just, there's a little bit of a mess going on here. I'll optimize it later, but that's what every developer says, and then they end up just building in more features. All right. excuse me. Disabled time equals disabled time max. And then... Oh, you know what? We don't even need that one, because let's... yeah, let's just add that to the fire countdown. And we'll add a quarter second just so that when we re-enable the aiming, it has like a little bit of time to choose a new target. Maybe even a half second. Good. Oh. This is not gonna work. Okay, so now on each one of these, we need to actually put in a reference to it, which is... I know. Good. Okay, so let's take that aimer and put it in here, and we'll have to do that on each of the other ones as well. That's why I wish there were nested... Turret 3, body, barrel, turret 2, body, barrel. Okay, so we want these blank spots to all be barrel collider. Yeah, I totally... Okay. And then off the eyes... colliders to those, and then one of these was still not named top. Good. Okay, so turret 2. Drag that in. Turret 3. Drag that in. Dragon. Okay. Let's enable both shields, because now we're going to have some issues. Because we're going to have... I guess you can't really collide with the player right now, so it's not like I'm going to be in any sort of danger. Come on, shields. Come on, hands. Where are you? There we go. Oh, shield, come back. Oh. I'm deflecting things all over, but they aren't going towards the... One of them's got to hit one of these guys soon. Come on, come on, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Oh, oh, last minute. Go, go. I just want to see. Oh, so close. Oh, 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 oh. Hit him in the eye. Did he do anything? No. No, not even the slightest bit of a reason. Into the sky with you. Oh. Well, I guess only left hand can throw right now. And you can throw way too hard. Come on, I'm reaching for you. Good enough. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that is not good. See, I wonder if this thing needs a rigid body attached to it so that it, like, I wonder how the colliders cascade is what I'm trying to say. I mean, I could make it a trigger and use on trigger enter. Not quite as accurate, but it would work. Or we could make a separate script and just call it on. Let's try that. So I'm going to create a new C# script, and we're going to call that turret disabler. And then on turret 1, so we'll drag that up to this guy. Yeah, I know it'll break the blargity dooble. Alright, so all we need for this one is we need a public turret controller. And then let's take the turret controllers on collision enter. And we don't need all the rest of that stuff. And in the turret controller, we just want a simple public void. There. And now we can copy that back to here. Cool. Okay, so now on the turret, You know what? We don't even need to... We can do a start. Oh, no. We can't do that. Because I want to have that turret controller set on each of the sub-objects that has a collider, I need to drag that in. So let's just drag that right in there. Now we can copy that component, and on the top we can paste component as new. And on the these two we can paste component as new. Good. Now on the turret 1 turret controller, let's do a quick where's our colors? Okay, and so when the turret is disabled, we're going to set the IMAT color to the hit color. Okay, so turret scoop bow. So what we want to do here is, there we go, there's our hit color. So we'll call this one like, what should we do, like a yellow? Yeah, that's good. If delay is greater than 0, fire countdown equals delay. Oh, that's the fire delay. Okay. Okay, and he'll automatically activate the next time it's able to fire, so that's good. All right. Worth a shot. Whoa. I would call that an unexpected behavior. Fire all of your guns at once and explode into space like a true nature's child. I was born to shoot straight up in the air. So I think what's happening is there is a ball spawn that is here, and it's spawning the projectile inside of the... Okay, so on the turret aimer, oh, I see. I took the direction and I minused a negative, which is why it was looking straight up. There we go. Okay, let's try and bounce it back now. Oops, other shield, come back. Come back. There we go. Almost. Okay, so let's face this way a little bit. Oh, almost. Oh, that almost hit him. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, good. He still fired one into the floor. Oh, and I didn't set his disabled time to anything. Okay, so there's a little bit of weird behavior, but he did go yellow for a second there, and he did look down. So that's progress. It's the Bumbling Idiot Developer Show. The Bumbling Idiot you don't know. Alright, so I can see here this ball spawner should be centered with that a little bit better. That's good. Okay, and then on the turret, there's warning time. On the top, there should be the disabled time, I think. Turret controller. Oh. Well, that would be it. This should be public so that I can actually adjust it. It's starting off at 0. So we'll set that to 3 seconds. Because what was happening is the firing, so the turret, when it was disabling, it was setting the fire count down to like a half of a second and disabling the turret for 0 time at all, basically. Now, are we actually calling enable aim again? Yeah, so, okay, so that should work better now. So we should probably now, on the other turrets, let's just grab this color. Let's set those. And let's set our disable time max to the same thing, which I think was 3. Yeah, so we'll disable them for 3 seconds when they get hit. And I'd like them to like spark and stuff, like have little bursts of like sparks that kind of rain down while they're disabled. And we'll do that next. I don't know if I have time because I have a meeting in like half an hour that I probably should prepare for, but for now... Oh, shields come back. There we go. No, that wasn't the right angle. That's not the right angle. Oh, almost. No, not quite. Oh, that's too many. Too many. Oh, almost. Oh, that one's gonna hit that dude. Something's not set up right on him, that's for sure. Almost. Oh, too high. No, no. Oh, 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 oh. This is hard. Shields, come back. Come back. Also, it's hard to bounce them off the backs of your hands. Like, holding it up like this is really tough. It's actually easier to bat them from cross. That's something I'm gonna have to look at, because I don't feel like that's very comfortable. And let's face it, if you're uncomfortable playing a game, you're not going to play it for much longer. How hard is it to hit that guy? I almost need to add in a little bit of extra auto aiming. Come on. Oh, oh, that's... Oh, I thought that was the one. There it is. There it is. Oh! Come on. That was sad. That was just sad. Close. Nope, not close. Getting there. Nope. Oh, that was almost it. There, 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 there. Okay. Down for 3 seconds. Re-enabled. Shooting. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. It shouldn't have been that hard to do that. Hey, Simple Collection. Thanks for the follow. Sorry I didn't see it. I was trying to make those turrets get hit by a stupid spiky ball while I squat in the middle of space. Alright. Okay, so this one's working, these ones are not, so I'm guessing that it's because these other turrets don't have their objects all set. Yeah, so basically the easiest way to do this is just to fold up these turrets and duplicate 1, 2, 3. And we're going to set this to turret 2. And then we're going to copy the previous turret 2's location. And then we're going to get rid of the old one. Good. Turret 3, we're going to copy its location. Get rid of it. Make this turret 3. And paste the values. Good. And then turret 4, we're going to copy its values. See, I shouldn't have to do this if there were nested prefabs, but there are not. Paste component values. Make this one turret 4. Turret 3. Turret 5. Turret... there we go. So, yeah, we've got 4 active turrets now. Now... let's start it up, and we'll just have a little bit better of a view for you. So let's take the viewer camera and activate it, and then we'll start it up with the so I'm going to go into the managers, game manager, and for this phase of the game, I'm going to set it to player danger right, player danger left, player danger top. Well, that should do it. Actually, let's just set it to 2. And then it'll just go player danger left and right. Is there a player danger back? Yeah, let's go back left and back right so that you can see the turrets. There we go, that's better. Alright, let's grab my shields. Whoa, come back. There we go. And let's see if some of these other ones work. Now I get to try and hit the other guys. Yeah, I got him. Okay, so he's working. Okay, let's test this guy right over here. Shoot at me. Almost. Oh. I'm starting to get okay at this. I'm getting closer. There it is. Bam, disabled. Okay, good. So he works. Oh, that one's gonna hit him. Come on, don't shrink away yet. Oh. No. Come on, shoot at me, you guys. There it is. Bam, good, disabled. Okay, so they do exactly what I hoped. They look down, they turn yellow. Hiya, hiya. Oh, okay. Your shields get thrown with way too much force right now. Come on, there we go. Good. Okay. That's awesome. Okay, so next I'll add some sparks and stuff to them, but right now I don't think I'm gonna do that. We can, yeah, I've got a meeting in a couple minutes, and so everyone's gonna be coming in, and I should probably be prepared and stuff. Yeah, all I really want to do is keep working on this, but meetings come first. So let's do that. Yeah, here they are. Okay, so I'm going to shut it down for the day. Thank you for joining me today, and have a... Oh, it isn't Friday yet, so I can't say have a good weekend, but have a good day or evening or whatever it is for you, and we will see you tomorrow.
Yeah, you know, I think my statement was, isn't it a rule book?